Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily English.
Hey, Ivan. I was looking for you since I arrived this morning. I need your help. James, hi. I was talking to the boss about something. How can I help you? Oh, okay. I'm going to start with those documents you sent. Do you remember? Sure, I sent them to you yesterday, and we need it for next Friday. We're going to have a meeting. That's why I need your help with that. There are some things I don't understand about them. Of course I can help you. I'm going to be free on Monday in the afternoon, during lunch. No, I wanted you to help me today after work. I mean, when our working hours finish. Are you kidding? Today is Friday. We are all going to go home earlier. I know it's Friday, but wouldn't it be better to have everything ready now? Huh? No, it's Friday and I'm going to go out with my wife at night. Why don't you also go out? No thanks. I prefer to stay here and do some extra work. I have time. Are you going to stay after we're gone again? James, you need to go out. You work too much. Yeah, you know I prefer staying here to carry forward the work. That's better for me. That can't be good. Look, the other team members and I are going to drink some beers. Oh, nice. I hope you have fun. I'm sorry, but I can't go. I need to work. You never go out. You just keep working. What are you going to do this weekend? I'm going to come here. I've already talked to the boss to tell him I can come this weekend. Are you really going to work on the weekend? Why would anybody do something like that? Apparently me. Listen, I don't want to be rude, but this is my life. Do not interfere in it. Okay, James. I'm not going to tell you anything else. I'm gonna work, okay? Sure, I'm gonna do the same here. It's a pity you can't help me after work. Hey, Ivan! What happened, my friend? You look worried. Don't tell me you can't go today. Hey, Frank. No, I'm going to go with you, of course. I'm just worried about... About what? If you don't have money, don't worry. We're gonna chip in for the drinks, okay? No, it's not about money. It's James. He never goes out and he's always working. Oh, James, right. Is he going to stay here to work extra hours again? I suppose he is. Yeah, as usual. Anyway, where are we going to go after work? What bar? We're going to drive to Smith Bar. It's near the bridge. We're gonna arrive in just 10 minutes. Yeah, I know that place. Hey, why don't you invite James? Tell him we're going to have fun. Although I'm sure he's not going to accept, I'm gonna invite him anyway. I'm going now. Hello, James. I see you're working hard again. You know, today is Friday, right? Hi, Frank. Yeah, I know. I know everyone is going to leave earlier today. Yeah, well, since it's Friday, we're going to drink some beers. We're not gonna stay to work. I know. And I told Ivan I'm not going to go with you. I'm gonna stay here and do some extra work. But are you really going to stay here Friday night? Aren't you going to go out or something? No, I'm not. I'm going to work and it's going to be fun. I'm sure about that. Yeah, okay, I see. Listen, if you want to go, we're going to be in that bar. The one that is... Don't worry, Frank. I'm not going to go. So it is not necessary you tell me the address. Okay then, I'm going to keep working. Have a great night, James. He just doesn't want to go. No matter what you tell him, he's gonna tell you a no. Always. Damn, we must do something. I can't see him here, working like that. But we can't do anything. What are you going to do to convince him to go? Nothing. Oh, I know. I think he likes the new secretary. I don't remember her name. Yeah, so what's with that? What's she going to do? Is she going to invite him to go out with us? That's a great idea. I will tell her to invite James to go with us. I'm sure he'll accept. You're really going to do that? I don't think that's a good idea, Ivan. How's it going to be a bad idea? It is the best idea ever. Wait and you're gonna see what happened. James, hello. Your name is James, right? Sorry, I'm new in this office. Oh, hi. Yeah, my name's James. You are... Oh, you are... My name is Sophia. It's a pleasure to meet you. I have heard about you before. Oh, seriously? How's that possible? I mean, how did you know my name? You're new here. I've heard some friends talking about you, and I wanted to meet you. Is that not good? Oh, no, that's okay. But tell me, how are you? I would like to know about yourself. Oh, I have just moved. I'm going to go out today with the people of the office. Are you coming? No. I'm not going to go because I have to work here today. Oh, that's a pity, because we're going to have fun together. I'm gonna be there and... Wait, there is something weird here. Why are you going to go with them? They don't even know you. No, they seem to be good people. And Yeah, I knew it. How much did they pay you so you can invite me to go with them? Sorry, I didn't mean it. I'm not going to go out to that meeting or whatever it is. I'm sorry. Don't worry. It's not the first time they do something like this. They're gonna do it again. I'm really sorry, James. And if you don't want to go, you don't need to go. I'm gonna tell them. That's okay. Thank you. Do not worry about that. And thanks for telling me the truth. Why? Why don't people understand? Why? James, did you finish with the documents I told... Hey, what happened? Why are you sad? Hello, boss. You know, they're all going to go to a bar today. I'm not going to go. Yeah, I heard about that. And of course you're not going to go with them. You have to work. Yeah, but they don't understand. Nobody understands how I feel about going out. I know, James. I know you're not going to go out because your mom is sick. And I need to work extra hours for that reason. I didn't tell them, but that wouldn't have to be necessary. I know, and you're right. But people are sometimes like that. They can't feel what we feel. You're right. They will have to respect my decision of not going out with them. Don't worry, James. Just keep working for your mom. I'm always going to support you. Thank you very much, boss. I'm going to work hard for her every day. Thank you so much. You don't need to thank me. You are the best son one mother could ever have.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and comment on my video.